Good morning everyone. Mayong buntag sa tanan. Today, I would like to share with you a short story in honor of the writers Bogs Borbos at yahoo.com. The short story said, back in my college days, I would pass by the university chapel almost daily. Right beside the front door sat Lola Alicia, a poor elderly woman. I sat beside her on the sidewalk and share some food I prepared or bought. We would talk for about an hour before I attended my class. She walked very slowly, was diabetic, had no relatives, and lived in a makeshift shanty made of plastic scraps that she put together to protect her from the sun and rain. I told her I was poor and couldn't help her financially. She said our deeds were even better. I never showed her that I'd cry whenever we talk. She spoke to my heart. One day, she failed to show up, and I never saw her again. I presume the worst. I realized later that Jesus didn't meet me inside the chapel. He met me outside through Lola Alicia. I just didn't recognize him. John the Baptist didn't recognize the Messiah twice in the Gospel. John chapter 1 verse 31. May we recognize Jesus when He decides to lead us. Mga igsoon, kumusta naman ka si Jesucristo diha sa atong tagsa-tagsa ka kinabuhi karon? Asa naman ka si Jesucristo diha sa atong tagsa-tagsa ka kinabuhi? Where is Jesus in our life? Where might He be when you miss His presence? Maigsoon hinaut unta nga matagal itong panahon pagpangutana ang atong kagalingon kung asa na bagyod si Kristo karon diha sa atong kinabuhi. Makaingon ba kita nga Ginoo, palihog abrihi ang akong mga mata kay gusto na kong makitaan si Jesucristo diha sa akong kagalingon kinabuhi. Open my eyes, Lord. I want to see Jesus. Hinaut pa unta. Thank you and good morning.